Hello, this is Eric at Print Show at Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency as well. Coming with a new sleek look inside and out, running boards down below as well. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back seat, we have seating for three with a nice full leather interior. In the middle, you do have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as two more in the middle here with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and a 120-volt power outlet right there. Seats can also be folded up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. This truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as three memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, pedals, and your mirrors. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, which is fully digital. You can cycle through your trip 1 and 2 information, your eco behavior, your auto start stop status, driver assistance, fuel economy. Then you can also exit out of that and look at things such as truck info with tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine information, seat belts, and driver assistance again. Do also have your towing information, your navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. You also have My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of these subcategories for ease of access. And then on the left side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system, and you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the underside of the steering wheel, along the bottom of the steering wheel, I should say. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to. And then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels. Your favorite screen, much like My View, you can put any subcategory there for ease of access, and whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above your screen you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view, hazards, traction control shut off, and you do also have a premium B&O audio system in this truck, so your music or whatever you're listening to is going to sound decent. To the left of that you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, 4x4 controls with 4 auto and a locking rear differential, and your drive mode selector with things such as slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts, and then on the other end you have tow, haul, eco, and sport modes, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then moving on to the right side, where you have a 12-volt power outlet and a 120-volt power outlet, as well as this button to open the hatch above your glove compartment. Then moving on to your climate controls with dual front climate and heated and air conditioned front seats, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. Below that you have this compartment, which opens to reveal a USB and USB-C, as well as a slot for your phone while it's charging. And then you have your main shifter here with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and it can also be collapsed to be flat, so you have more space here. And then you have two cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest here, which is very spacious, has a removable tray, and inside you have a ton of room, including another USB and USB-C. Then looking back, you do also have a power sliding rear window, and last but not least, a twin panel moonroof up top, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.